welcome to my vlog. Make sure to like and subscribe, and 109876543210. Today we're going to be doing a review on slimes. So first we have this ℤ𝕚𝕚 slime. It's I think I did like a video on this. I don't know. But let me just get it all on the plate for you guys. Yeah, it's like very sticky. And then I'll tell you who the ℤ𝕚𝕚 characters are, but I'm pretty sure you guys will know them. Yeah. Hold on 1 second. Okay, so let me just spread this out on the plate really quick. Can you guys see? Yeah, you can. This is also gonna be like I guess like ASMR video, because like the slimes are good. This is probably not like the best ASMR slime, but there's like good ones. Some good at ASMR. So first we have Hello Kitty, and then next we have Pom Pom. Hold on guys, I'll be right back, but I need to put my hair up in a ponytail. Okay, see you guys in a second. Okay, I'm back guys. Wait, can you even see? Okay, there we go. Sorry, my cat is in here. This. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay. Delta, don't knock it over. Again, please. Next, we have Keroppi. And last but not least, pretty sure this is your guys' like most favorite, ℤ𝕚𝕚𝕚. But the most like good sound of the slime is like this. It's like very like sticky, and this is a foam slime. It's very like stretchy, like this. Here. And then it's like the most good sound. Oop, foam slime. Oh, this got some of the other slime in it. It's okay. Pom Pom. This sound isn't very good. Kind of. Okay, I'm gonna put this slime back in its bucket, and the next slime that I'm going to be showing you is is one of the newest slimes that I've got. I got it yesterday. They had the gas station that I went to. They had like very cute kawaii slimes, but I like this one a lot. So let me go wash my hands, and then I will bring it out. Guys, I'm back, but I gotta show you. Both of my cats are in here. Both of them. Delta! Okay, back to this one. Okay. Can you guys see? Okay, good. Next slime, kawaii slime. This one you have to like put in the freezer, cause this one you have to put in the freezer, cause like when I first got it, it was very sticky. So I usually leave it in there like for 20 minutes, but last night I left it in there for too long. Dang, it's dark in here. It also smells like strawberries. But the reason why I picked this slime because let me show you a very cute charm. Let me just put it out. Get the slime off of it. Is this really cute? Like, I think this is ℤ𝕚𝕚𝕚𝕚 like a bear. And let me show you something. This thing. It's like the same, like, it's like the same base, but like the charm is pink. Okay. Keep that over there. So this slime is good. Like, it's like amazing. So let me just set this. Okay, so we have this drink charm and we have these. Okay, let me show you this charm really quick up close so you guys can see it better. And it takes a while. Okay, so this is the like little like strawberry like milkshake or thing, like very good charm. And then we have these little strawberries. Let me just get the slime off. There you can still see the slime. We have these like little strawberries too. There's bigger ones and then there's like smaller ones. And then this is like very satisfying. It's so good. I'm gonna like take the charms out because I feel like you can do like more like ASMR without all the charms in the slime. So sorry, I had a cough. Just pull these out really quick. Oh, still two more. Not see them there. Ugh. Okay. Sticking again. Yeah, very good slime. The only reason here, I'm gonna take this off the plate for you guys. My mom says to use the plate, but since this is my desk it is. It's also like stretch, like it stretches good. Oh, last night when I put the slime in the freezer for too long, it literally like formed like a slime ice cube. So I had to like put it outside for a little bit and then like I could finally open it. It was like freezing. But like, yeah. Sometimes it's not that stretchy because like, yeah, it is slay. And then what I love to do with the slime, just like do this, and then I like do this, and then bubble, and then so good. I love it. Stretchy. Okay. This one isn't like that messy, but it's like sticky. But like when you get some on your hands and like it's been on there for a while, it like dries up, so it's like you could just easily peel it off. What? That's why you're laying on the Chromebook. All they do is come in here and sniff all my stuff. And like, yeah. My kitties. My favorite. Wait, did I put the charms back in here? Yeah, the charms are in here. Okay. And I love this, and I love like how like this has like a little bow on it. I see it. This, and then, okay, sleigh. Okay. Okay, next line. Next line, like this line, I've had it for like a year. It's not like that good because like I used to like play with it a lot. It would drop on the carpet, and I have cats that have a bunch of hair, and then these like these like they have hair too. It's disgusting. But this is my cat slime. Let me show you the little cat. This is the little kitty cat. Set that over there. But then like it's not like stretchy at all. So I think this one is actually worse than the ℤ𝕖𝕚 slime. But that is good. And like it doesn't like make a bubble. It like, yeah, it just tears. But I really like this sound. It's just so good. But yeah. Wait, I forgot what I was gonna say. Anyways, put it back in with kitty charm. When I got this from Five Below, very good. And I also have a putty that I got yesterday at the same gas station. They have like very good stuff. It's since it's close to Halloween, it's oh my gosh, this mosquito bite is like getting huge. It's mini thinking putty, and it's like a haunted house themed. It's like, I mean, it's supposed to be like this, since it's like putty. It should be like very like soft, but this one isn't that soft. But like when you stretch it, what happened to your stretch? It was like, yeah, like that. But yeah, and then I haven't tried this out yet. Hopefully it's good. Yeah, that isn't very good. This is like hard putty, so see if it'll make. No, it already broke. No. Yeah. But one thing that's really cool about the slime, if you like shape it into a ball like this, look, watch. It becomes a bouncy ball. Like, oh my gosh, you're gonna go into my water. But yeah, very good. And I think that's all like the slime that I have. So I'm gonna put them all up here and tell you where I got them, so maybe you can find them if you want them. So let me just okay, so let me just bring this back. Okay, so this one I got from Five Below. Yesterday I went to Five Below at the mall, and I saw it. We didn't buy anything there. This one I got from the Reader's gas station, and then I got this one at Five Below, and I also got this at the Reader's gas station. So these are all my slimes. Hope you guys have a good day. Bye.